Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Olivier. I am a certified mindfulness meditation teacher, and in my channel you will find videos on meditation tips, mindfulness practices and guided meditation. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. In today's video I want to answer a comment that I have received recently, and here is the comment. So it is from JXZZ, and he or she is saying that I have an issue with meditation. I meditate with my eyes closed, but it strains my eyes because it is so hard to make my eyes not concentrate. Any tips? So basically, can we meditate with our eyes open? And the answer is yes. It is possible to meditate with your eyes open, and I'll tell you how. When we meditate, we want to avoid distractions so that we can focus onto our own experience. So that's the main reason why we close our eyes. But if you want to open your eyes, do so by looking at a 45-degree angles, right? And try not to look into something particular. Just try to look vaguely on the floor so that nothing catches your attention. That is the main point. Now, another tip. Also, when we feel tired or sleepy, it can be a good idea to open our eyes to feel more, to invite more energy into our body. So it can be a skillful way as well to meditate like that with our eyes open. But what I have noticed in my experience is that sometimes I don't realize that I strained my eyes. I only realize it when I start scanning my body. I scan my forehead, and sometimes I can feel a little bit of tension there. And then on my out breath, I release the tensions. And same with my eyebrows and my eyes. I'm often surprised how much stress or how much effort I put into closing my eyes. So when I become aware of that, I simply try to relax my eyes. And then, as I have talked about in my previous video, I practice scanning my body to release the tensions that I haven't been aware of. Like I have said several times, our body is a container for our experience, and often, when we are stressed, it translates into our body. Our muscles become tensed, maybe around our neck or our shoulders. But we are not aware of that because our mind keeps thinking about things. So when we meditate, at some point we can let go of the breathing and just become aware of the sensations in our body and try to relax our body. So give it a shot. Try opening your eyes with your gaze at a 45-degree angle, and also try closing your eyes and try to notice if there are any tensions around your eyes and try to relax them. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I will answer them and or make videos. So thank you for your questions and your comments, and I will see you soon.